I've been invited here at Desh Bhagat University as an entrepreneur because I have started a business. I have this venture is like Rosy Foods Millet Magic Creations, and this business actually I started 2 years back, and the passion actually prepared me to start this business. And I always wanted to be a diet doctor to cure people, so I started designing these preventive, curative, and medicinal foods for the society. So that because so many diseases they are prevailing in the society these days, so I just wanted to cure people by my food products. So actually, the in any business, or you can say a startup, because business is entirely different from startup. And when you are a startup, that means you have some innovative, some unique idea with you. So the my idea, it's actually unique in the sense like I am doing something for the society, and I have introduced millets, which have been the forgotten grains, and those ancient grains I have bring into the picture, because 2023 has been declared as a millet year by our worthy Prime Minister. And so I'm actually thankful to the authorities, to the government, for promoting millets, as this has actually pushed me to start this business and to be into this startup. And I congratulate Desh Bhagat University persons for conducting such a great this seminar or this program, just to promote the entrepreneurship, and to make their students aware that how a business, how a startup, it can be a career for them. So even I am very much thankful to I am the part of She cohort from Punjab State Council Science Technology Department, Chandigarh, as they have I have been given the grant by the PSCCST, and this grant, actually this hand holding, has actually helped me to start in a different manner.